welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am working outdoors and I am setting up very beautiful butterfly setup. I am so excited about the setup, but I am racing with time and weather at the same time. Why? Because today is Tuesday and this video is going up on Thursday. Tuesday is the only day that is going to be very nice and sunny this week. So I need to finish everything today. Set up, film, finish, clean up, and be done. On top of all the appointments and errands that I need to do. Wish me luck. In this video, I will be using lots and lots of cool, fun, pretty stuff. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. Go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. First things first, I'm using this beautiful, beautiful rosette fabric for my table to cover my table. I have lots of beautiful cherry blossoms. This blue tulle, I don't know if I will be using it. We'll see. I have some foiled stripe balloons, lots of moss. I have ribbon, striped ribbon. Also, lots and lots of cardboard butterfly garlands. I have some candles, more butterflies. These are 3D thicker butterflies. They are not paper. And for my balloons, I have sea glass and blue slate in different sizes, 5, 11, 17, and I believe I have 24 in there. Last but not least, or I have a lot more stuff to share with you throughout the video, but this is the dish set that I am using to set up my table. It will fit the setup so well. It's white with white flowers. All ready to inflate my balloons like usual. I am using my electric balloon pump. This is Zoom and I will link it in the description under this video. I am working with two colors today. I am not mixing colors during the inflation, so I am grabbing my sea glass 11-inch balloons and inflating them at the same time into different sizes. Different sizes because I want for my balloon garlands to have more variety of sizes of balloons. So into something like this one's a little bit bigger, this one's a little bit smaller. Now this next step is absolutely and totally optional. I use it sometimes nowadays. I used to use this step often because I wanted my balloons to be on a rounder side. If you don't mind more elongated look of balloons, then skip this step. Grab your balloons and press them against the floor to give your balloons more rounder shape, and then tie them together. I am tying these balloons pretty close together, as you can see, because I need these necks of balloons to be very nice and stretchy. I will be using them in construction of my balloon garlands. So keep inflating, keep on mixing your 17-inch balloons with your 11-inch balloons. I will leave my 24 and 5-inch balloons for a little bit later. So working with 11 and 17 right now. Done inflating my balloons for now. I never inflate every single balloon that I get for the job. I always leave some balloons extra laying on the side because I never know what kind of size of balloons I would need to add on a certain spot or how many balloons will pop and I would need to substitute them. I always leave some aside. So here's what I am doing. I am grabbing two pairs of balloons and intertwining them together, very nice and tight, making sure that nothing is slipping out and going places. And as you can tell, I am working with one color at a time. I am not mixing my colors together. Grabbing another pair, adding into my balloons to create a cluster of balloons, something like this. Now I want to grab one more pair and add into my cluster of balloons. So you can absolutely work with 3 pairs of balloons and create smaller clusters, size clusters, but right now I created bigger clusters because I am working with a large area and this will help me fill that large space faster with larger clusters of balloons like this. I might make some of the quads of balloons. What are quads? Quads are two pairs intertwined together into something like this. So quads are 4 balloons together. I might create some smaller size clusters. Instead of 4 pairs of balloons intertwined together, I will intertwine 3 pairs of balloons. So keep on clustering, keep on playing with the sizes of your clusters and quads and all of that stuff, and then I will move on to my other color and do exactly the same thing. Done clustering. Now to take them outside, I am packing my balloons into white large bags. I will link these bags in the description under this video. These bags are a little bit on the thinner side and they rip a little bit easier than probably any other bag for balloons. I also have here a mattress bag and it seems like it's a lot more thicker, but I don't want to use it today. I don't know why. I need 2 and I don't know how many I have here. 1. I need 2 bags. Why do I need 2 bags? Because I don't want to mix my colors together. It's going to be a lot more convenient for me to reach into one bag and grab that certain color without searching through the bag to find that color. So let's pack everything.
Should I help you?
Oh, whoa! That was a miss. Try again. Woo!
Oh, Mama, just go.
I'm not going outside yet. Let's go eat first and then we'll go out. And this is the spot for today's video. I will be working under the roof, over the roof, on my sides, everywhere. I will be doing a voiceover for the rest of this video. I will try to stop here and there to explain how I'm attaching and what I'm using and how I'm using things for this setup. Why am I doing a voiceover? Because it's going to be a lot faster for me to complete everything. And as you know, I'm racing with time and weather today. And it's windy today. A little bit. We live in a wind tunnel or something like that. I don't know. It's super windy. So anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. All right. So I'm starting by taking everything outdoors, and balloons gave me such a hard time. I overpacked my bags with balloons and they couldn't fit through the door. To construct my balloon garland, I am grabbing 2 clusters of balloons, reaching inside and finding necks of balloons from every cluster. Once I found them, I am tying those necks of balloons together. This will hold my balloon garland very well. I am adding more clusters by tying necks of balloons together until I am happy with the length of my balloon garland. This technique will involve some finger strength. The more you'll use this technique, the faster you'll get used to it. Using a 20-pound fishing line to attach my garlands in several spots. Why in several spots? Because you want to be sure that your balloon garlands are secured 100%, especially working outdoors with winds. Here I am adding more clusters of balloons to my existing small balloon garland. I'm just working on the length of it and fullness of my balloon garland. You can absolutely use necks of balloons, or I started using rubber bands. Rubber bands are not the best idea to use outdoors. You'll see why in just a little bit. This balloon garland was looking a little sad, so I needed to put a lot more work into it. So I need to leave now. I'm leaving all of my balloons out there. Hopefully they will be still there when I come back. Hopefully they're not gonna pop. It's a little bit windy, but it's not that bad for the wind to take them off and take places. So I'll see you in a little bit. Back, they look beautiful. They are absolutely matte and they look beautiful. Let's finish this up. Let's add more balloons and decorate our table. Look at the difference between oxidized balloons and freshly inflated balloons. Absolutely love the matte look. So here I am adding more balloons to this sad looking balloon garland. I am adding 24-inch balloons on side to give this garland more fullness. This particular balloon garland that I'm working on right now gave me such a hard time. I had no idea where to put those 24-inch balloons, and look right here, those rubber bands just snapped on me because they oxidized. So use 260s balloons instead of rubber bands outdoors, trust me. Still struggling with the placement of 24-inch balloons here. Foil balloons, I am using this foil inflator. I got this from L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company. It's made specifically for foil balloons. It does have a backflow. Backflow will prevent overinflating your foil balloons. It's very gentle on your foil balloons, and it's not ripping this plastic insert that every single self-sealing balloon have. Love this thing so much. To use a hand pump for my foil balloons. This will save me so much time. Love this thing, highly recommend this. To attach my foil balloons, I am using 260s balloons. I am simply wrapping my 260 in the neck of my foil balloons, tying 260 to hold the wrap, tying the ends of 260s together to create a loop, and I'm ready to loop over any of the balloons on my balloon garland. Absolutely love how my garlands changed after adding these striped foil balloons. The thing I want to attach are these beautiful butterflies. They are very big and they are 3D. Look how pretty they are. They are stunning, and I love how bouncy the wings are. So you basically bend the top wings to your liking, and you can do that to your lower wings as well. And here they included these I guess glue dots. You just pop the glue dot out and literally glue it straight to the body of your butterfly. Take off another paper and you're ready to attach this to your balloons. Literally just tucked in one of the wings between my balloons because this butterfly is a little bit too heavy for those glue dots that they're included. Either take your own glue dots and literally place them on your wings at the very bottom and glue it that way. So yes, exactly what I just said. Do not use included glue dots. They're way too small and they will not hold the weight of the butterfly on your balloon garland. Simply take your glue dots or glue dashes. Glue dashes are the best glue dots ever. I love them so much. And start adding these beautiful, beautiful butterflies. Look how pretty. Look how wings flap in the wind. So pretty. Next, I am using these butterfly garlands. I simply tie them to my pergola or gazebo or whatever this is and started fluffing those butterflies. They have 6 layers. Look how cute and adorable everything looks. You can add as many as you wanted. I use only 1 pack of butterflies. I decided to scratch my rosette fabric because it was way too heavy for this theme, and I went for this polka dot tulle. It's gorgeous. I added some plate chargers, plates on top, some wine glasses, and bottled vases. I cut off some of the cherry blossoms into smaller pieces and added them into these vases. Added a whole bunch of moss in the middle. It's gorgeous, you guys. Look how pretty.
Have a romantic dinner.
Yes, with pizza. Thank you. That was my sister-in-law who was helping me out. I also added some glass candle holders. Here I am trying to finish everything faster by adding flowers next to my striped foiled balloons and lighting up the candles and finishing up with beautiful pictures. Change your plans. We decided to change a few things because we thought that balloon garland and the table were way too hidden, so we took everything out. And I'm so mad at myself because I didn't film how we added up lighting, and it changed the whole thing to the next level. I'll just include some pictures, so here they are. And this is how it looks with up lighting. I absolutely love it. I will link the lights in the description under this video. This is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. They always help. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to help you out. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below for more videos and inspiring ideas. And I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.